miss from Valacuña from 3. Caspe locates Gamalinda, who will force that shot up and in. Little over 3 minutes gone by in the third quarter. Mark Cruz, nahanap si Adi Santos, nawala sa kanya yung bola. Mindoro.
Said maayos ang character, mabait. As we know Coach Elvis to be big on attitude. Sabi niya kahit ganyan ang narating niya, he is humble and he treats everybody with respect. Kung ganyan ang player, tatagal ang career.
Maraming salamat, Mika, and yung chemistry niya with his teammates, particularly with Antonio Sebio, Kyle Tolentino, Chris Porter, has been immense.
Yeah, I think he has the size, the athleticism, and the skill to be one of the best guards in the next 5 years. Tulad ng huling free throw ni JJ, dalawa mintis.
Umikot, Tolentino will float it up and in. The official sports book of the NPBL.
Yeah, this was the move by Kyle off that baseline ball screen, and after that second move, we saw no blue shirt to contest this floater inside. Just a what a beautiful spin move by Kyle, showing the touch also with that mini floater.
Off the dribble, Ashon Andrews! Malaking improvement kay Kyle Tolentino has been his decision-making.
Yeah, yun talagang pinakamalaking bagay doon. Of any player, pero malaking bagay din yan. Yung 3 points. He made 3 here in the third quarter.
Cutting the lead down to 10. Still a lot of time left in the third. Eusebio gustong bawing yung 3, and he does! Saka nalala ko dyan, well, nung una akong nanood ng PBA, siya yung una kong nakita ng goggles. Eusebio back to Hesed Gabo. 38 seconds left in the quarter. Eusebio forcing it up. Banks it in.
And able to finish. Yan na naman yung mga natin. Alam natin, special person yan. Ni Antonio Eusebio, pero special na galawan din. Para kay JC Recto, tulad ng sigaw mo. Si Ashon Andrews, how about this? The cross, the hang time, and the finish, 2+1.
Trying to will Mindoro back. Total of 14 points to go along with 7 boards. Pass outside, Nelo Santos for 3. It's good!